Whether you're looking to upgrade an outdated phone system or install a new one, there's never been a better time than now, thanks to Advantage Technology's limited time buy two handsets, get one free offer. Simply register for a free phone system evaluation before the offer expires to lock in this deal. Have one handset on your desk, one in the break room, and install the third one at home. Never miss a call, no matter where you are. Once you've registered, we'll send out our team to evaluate your current business needs. Then we'll put together more than a phone system. We'll put together a full unified communications solution, an integrated platform that brings all your people together even when they're apart. That means voicemail, email and mobile phone integration, messaging, and video conferencing. Not to mention local support, free training, and decades of telecommunications experience. You're in great hands with Advantage Technology. We've got you covered from start to finish, doing everything from pulling cables to helping you choose the right handset. So register now for a free phone system evaluation and lock in this limited time buy two, get one free offer. Not only will you get an incredible unified communication solution, you'll save big. So take advantage of this opportunity right now.
See us online at Advantage.Tech. Advantage Technology, the complete IT solution.